So next bracha on a rainbow. When one sees a rainbow after rainstorm, she recites the bracha of Zocher Chabris v'Ne'aman bivriso v'Kayaman v'Ma'anmaro. Wow, I like when they spell in English. Okay, so let's see what is the translation. One second. So it's actually in my Siddur they one after another. So it says, "Blessed are you, Hashem, our God, King of the universe, who remember the covenant and is trustworthy in His covenant to fulfill His word." So meaning with this rainbow, Hashem promised to Noah that He's not going to flood the world again, right? That's the covenant. Okay, so actually that's what it says here. The bracha is based on Parashat Noach, where after Mabul is a flood. Hashem promised that He would never again destroy the entire world by flood. His sign is a covenant. His sign is a covenant was a rainbow. Ramban explained that the previous times when one would turn his bow and hold it upwards toward him to indicate that he came to peace, right? That he came in peace, and did not intend to shoot arrows, so like upside down. The rainbow in the sky is facing Hashem, very interesting, so to speak, and it is proclaiming that Hashem comes in peace, very interesting, and will not destroy the world with a rainstorm. So okay, but we must remember that if Hashem brought this sign, it means that we are guilty of something, right? And we're deserving the punishment. But He said, "I'm not going to destroy the world through the flood." Why? Because I promised to Noach, not because you're so righteous, but that's I keep my end of the deal, as we said in the blessing. So blessing is very clear, very detailed. Okay. So I continue. Therefore, one sees the rainbow colors in any other fashion, in a water sprinkler, or on a sidewalk, etc. Certainly, no bracha is required. So it's only when after the rain. Not all of these artificial things. Not necessarily artificial. Sometimes over the lake or a pond in the early morning, you would also see the rainbow. Okay. If one sees a rainbow, it is better not to tell others about it. This is because the rainbow is a sign that Hashem would have wanted to destroy the world, if not for His promise. Okay, as we said, it is not good to be bearer of bad news. So that's one of the things that we learn from Jewish ideology. It's not good to be a bearer of bad news. So and even if you must tell somebody like bad news, try to do it in to hint to them, like say it indirectly. So in this case, okay, if they would see, other people would see the rainbow, they would be obligated to do that. So better not to tell them. Okay. Or say something like indirectly. If someone informs you that there is a rainbow in the sky, you are not obligated to purposely go and look in order to make the bracha. That's very interesting. So in all other mitzvahs, for example, I don't know what would be the opportunity. I guess women do not do, but men do kiddush levana, the blessing on new moon. So if somebody said, "Oh, I just saw a beautiful moon," so in my shul, that's what we do. Well, there is one guy, He has a very good eyes, and he always spots the moon when everybody after Shabbos comes out. Nobody knows where to look, and he said, you have to stay here on this side of the road, on that side of the road. You have to look between the houses. It's unbelievable. This guy have beautiful eyes, Baruch Hashem. So for this, yes, you're obligated to say, and it's very commendable that you call other people to do the mitzvah blessing on the moon. It's different, but not on a rainbow. Why? Because it's a bad news, right? One should not stare at the rainbow, right? As it's a bad bad decree. The Zohar writes that staring at a rainbow is like a staring at Shekhinah, and therefore disrespectful. One should glance at it briefly and make the bracha. Okay, of course you have to make you have to see what you making the blessing on. Same on the moon, you have to look at the moon, and the rest of the things you read from your siddur, from sometimes they have pamphlets or something. That doesn't matter. You read from the text, but before making the blessing, it says clear in the siddur, so you have to look up, see the moon clearly, and then continue reading. So, but in this case, also just glance and don't stare. It's very interesting. So Hashem said that you're so abominable to me, so I had to destroy the whole world. And these gay people, right, gay lesbian, what did they do? They make the flag, the symbol is a rainbow. So they did not even know this is the biggest abomination. You understand? That was one of the reasons that Hashem destroyed the world. And they use the symbol and very proud of it. It's very interesting. Okay, there are no coincidences.